Good morning, everybody. It is a nice semi-warm day in North Texas today. Alexa, what's the weather?
In Aubrey, it's 52 degrees Fahrenheit with fog. Today, you can look for rainy weather with a high of 65 degrees and a low of 52 degrees.
Okay, so that's not that bad. So today, got plans to get this place cleaned up, and aside from getting the place cleaned up, also going to be turning the entire house smart. So we already got some things that are smart. Please excuse my hair and my beard. I will be getting that cleaned up today. I got an appointment. Yeah, to get that taken care of. So, but anyways, we already got some things that are smart in the house. The house came with like this panel, but you need like ADT in order to do like monitoring and stuff, but it still allows you to have a smart front door light, smart garage, and smart, what's the last thing? Front door. Like front door lock. So the plan is I have some smart things that, well, I have a lot of smart light switches. I've already got 3 installed, but you know, with the baby and everything, it kind of takes some time to get it done. So you know, I couldn't go without showing y'all the main man, Eli. Say hey.
Ooh, that's a cute baby. Say hi.
And so apparently Sylvia has left me a nice present from Eli.
You gonna walk him? No, just kidding.
So I heard you boo-booed. You know that is unacceptable, right? And now I'm getting ready to install these light switches. So what I have here is it's Treat Life. You can't really see that, hold on. But Treat Life smart light switch. You got this from Amazon, it's a 4-pack. I think they were about $30 a piece. But I have 2 of them that I installed earlier. But I'm going to have to change this one here because it already has a smart switch that came with the house, and this one controls that light there. So, and this is our little panel, and came with the house too, but you can change the front door, unlock the front door, change thermostat, open and close the garage, and you can put different pictures and stuff. We don't have the pictures. But right now I'm about to get ready to work on, I have all this little gear here, and we're about to work on this light here, just installing one, but I'm gonna get the rest of this house done, and we already got one in the kitchen. So yeah, stay tuned. Here we go. Look how sweet they are. Should probably go turn the breaker off first. Okay. I'm heading to turn the breaker off. Let's see which one is which. Family room 14. I can't see that. 14. Make sure these lights is off. Yep. All right. So as you can see, ground, line, neutral, load. So we're going to go to the garage again, just to make sure that they are, you know, hooked up correctly before I screw it in the wall, because it would really suck if you screwed it in the wall and it wasn't good to go. So put that on, head back in here. It's time to test the magic. All right, looks like it's good to go, and looks like I set it up correctly. So now time to turn the breaker back off, screw it into the wall, and then we can proceed forward with the next one. So looks like it's flushed on, and yeah, it's a nice little switch. Let's go back, turn that breaker on, and that one should be good to go. That one took, let's say, about 15-20 minutes. Let me check the time. Yeah, I think it took me about 10 or 15 minutes to do that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on the rest of the kitchen area. I'll go ahead and work on these next. We did get something from Target. It is another, it's another one of these bar stools. So this is the light teal color. It's Copley bar stool from Target, and they're really nice. So if you're looking for some bar stools, I definitely recommend those to get. So I got those two done, hopefully. So we're going to, it's dark up in here, sorry. But we're going to check and see if I did that right. So 18. That light's on. This one should be the same. Yep. So it looks like mission complete on those two. So I suck and Sylvia had to come finish it. So props to Sylvia. What do you got to say about it, Miss Sweet Thing?
Call me Mom the Builder.
I was gonna finish the video last night about us turning the whole house smart, but I went on my birthday dinner and I just was so, I'm just tired. I finished them all yesterday. So I'm finished with the light switches. Sylvia helped me out a little bit, but she had mostly watched Eli. So it was kind of a more difficult task, given that I had to take out the original light switches, then screw in the new ones, and twist tie, whatever them things called, the little ties that clip the wires in there. And then the thing that made it so long was I had to walk all the way into the garage by myself, flip the breaker off, unscrew, and then when I actually got the new ones on, I had to flip the breaker back on to see if they worked. Then I flipped it back off to make sure when I pushed it back in to like tighten it and everything that nothing sparked. You don't need an electrician. You don't need, you don't have to be a tech whiz to do it. Yeah, you don't have to be this super tech guru to figure out how to do, you know, these. As you can see, I have that finished, And now I'm about to go ahead and get them set up.
And the builder, can he upgrade it? Yes, he can.
Say hey, ow. Say hey.
Hello.
You don't want to say hey? Why are you looking like that?
That's the mama baby. He said, who's that cute baby right there? Ooh. Say, get Dada kisses. Say, Dada, when you're done filming, Mama wants to take a shower.
Give me one more kiss. Give me one more kiss. Oh, you swerve me? Okay, that's okay. Like I said, no more milk.
You ain't in control of that. Dada. That's on my dada.
So you'll need to go to this app, and I have it screen recorded too, but if you can see that, I don't know. It's called Treat Life. But that, as you can see, that's kind of some of the ones we already have on here. So all you have to do, obviously we bought and I'll put the link of the ones that we bought from Amazon, but it comes as a 4-pack. And all in all total, I have to do, I'll add up the total. Once you get here, what you'll need to do is, so you just need to go into the app, and you'll have to take, you can do all of these at one time. I realized this when I was setting it up the other night. So I'm gonna go and do the ones that I haven't did. So you just need to hold it, wait till it starts blinking. You just hold the next one, wait till it starts blinking. What you'll need to do after you've put them in sync mode, you just go to switch and then make sure you're on the 2.4 gig Wi-Fi. Should be this one, but you'll have to go to, you know, once you get the password, then you just click next and then confirm the indicator lights blinking. And then it'll start searching for them, and once it's found the ones that you scanned, then it'll bring them all up here, but they won't have names, and then you can just change the name once you figure out what you want to name it and what the light switch is. So yeah, it just told me that they were connected to Alexa because I already have that skill on the Alexa. So I'm probably gonna get a whole bunch of notifications about Alexa. I don't know which switch is which right now, so I'm just gonna click done. And then these are all the switches that we have. There's still more. I haven't did every single one. Oh, well, I've installed every single one of them, just haven't put all of them in sync mode. Excuse Eli's music, and he's over there chewing on himself. You like your shirt, dude? I guess you do. He's just in his zone, I guess. Alexa, kitchen light on. And turns the kitchen light on. And then I can say, Alexa, dining light on. Turn the dining light on. Alexa, dining light off. Alexa, kitchen light off. And yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. So I'm just gonna turn this kitchen light back on. Not say Alexa again, but and also with our house, it came with this smart panel. You're just so chill right now. I'm so glad he's not crying. But it came with this smart panel, and you can get ADP, and ADP will, let me really focus. ADP will monitor it. So right now, the system is disarmed because we don't have the ADP, but we still have all the other stuff, like you can open and close the garage door, and then there's also and with the front door and stuff, but there's also an Alexa skill that is with alarm.com, which is who runs the service that's over that thing. I don't know why it's that, and ADP oversees it, but that's just what it is. So what I'll have to do, usually I just say, Alexa, unlock the front door. And then I tell them my PIN, and then it unlocks the front door. And so it can also do the garage and pretty much every single thing in the house. So yeah, that's pretty much our complete overview of turning the whole house smart, so you can control every single thing in here with Alexa. I would say it probably costs $250. I'd say minimum, maybe $300. But that was just to get all the light switches, all the plates. And the plates were the one of the cheapest, but the light switches are kind of the most expensive. So that was to get all of that. I am signing off, and I appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch our smart home video. And if there's any questions that you have or anything that I can help you guys with, figure out how to do the smart switches, you know, just let me know. It's pretty simple. I didn't even have to go to YouTube. I just kind of knew how to do it from previous times. It's pretty much just like, just know what ground, line and load, where to find it. It's not that hard. And then the neutral wire is always going to be the wire that it's usually already screwed, but it doesn't have anything connected to it, and that's it's pretty simple, and it's covered in white usually. But you know, I'm Chad, and this is my man Eli. Say hey, man. Say hey. You're just so chill today. You usually don't like the swing, but yeah, that's Eli. Sylvia's in the shower, but as you know, Cook family, Chad, Sylvia, Eli, and later. Hope to see you guys soon.